Bill clearly was not interested in revisiting.
No,
any of
he
his
was
cars.
not. Once he's done a car, I finally realized, and on a third time, which number 3, the Limelighter, I realized that Bill really did not like to go back and redo something again over. I think his attitude was, been there, done that, and don't want to do it again. After the Exodus, I tracked down and acquired the Limelighter, which was the 58 Impala. It was really a Hulk shell. It was all there, but it was in sad shape. I had someone do all the mechanical works. I did change the engine. It came originally with a 348, and I decided I'd rather go with a newer engine. So that's the only real basic major change, the engine and tranny. The rest of the car was really very, very stock and original.